Okay, so the video and the talking aren't going to match up because I recorded this one on a webcam and the sound hasn't recorded very well. But rather than redo the whole experiment, I'm going to just talk over the top. Here we go. Right, so first thing you're going to need is a drawstring tea bag. You can use an all tea bag, but it doesn't work as well. Drawstring tea bag works a better way. We're going to try and show a convection current or an experiment to illustrate convection currents, is probably a better way to put it. Okay, so first thing you know, snap the string off there. I didn't mean to. A bit stupid. Take out the little staple there normally is, or whatever's holding the tea bag together. And if you can do it a bit cleaner than I am, because I'm making a meal of this, you get almost like a tube with tea in it. Now, for the love of everything, don't waste the tea. I'm putting this in my filter for my kettle so I can have a cup of tea of it in a minute. Now this is quite a long one. You can see it's quite floppy and not going to be very structurally sound for what we want to use it for. So I'm going to cut it in half. So I get two. There we go. Right, now I've got two pieces of equipment. I'm going to try and use a normal tea bag to show that you can kind of do it with this, but it doesn't work as well. So you don't have to take my word for it, so you can actually see that it is better to use a drawstring one. That's science. Okay, so saving the tea for my tea. That goes over to one side. Right, so this is me trimming up the normal tea bag. You want, again, it to be almost like a tube. Now the problem with normal tea bags is down the side of them, okay, you can see where it's quite thick. That's going to affect the burning when we come to the experiment, and also if you don't cut it level like I've just done to even it up, you're going to get an uneven burn, which can kind of make the experiment not work. Alright, so with your drawstring tea bag, finish opening it up. Something I'm making look incredibly hard, but isn't actually quite easy when you're not trying to talk to the camera, which isn't recording sound. Right, so you're standing it up like that. Now you can stand it on top of things. I've done it on top of money and people's test results before. I'm doing it on top of a mat here. You're just going to light it in a couple of points, so try and get the lighting even across. There we go. Okay, so the tea bag burns down. You get quite a bit of flame on it. Oh my god, we're going to burn whatever's underneath. Oh wait, what's happened? Now, what's actually happened here is as you burn the tea bag down, the tea bag itself acts as the fuel for the fire. Because it's acting as the fuel for the fire, the tea bag's weighing less and less. It's getting lighter as it goes down. The fire is providing heat energy, thermal energy, which is giving the air molecules around it some kinetic energy. So they're getting more and more energized. They start to move around more. The whole idea of hot air rising is because of the amount of kinetic energy they have. When we do it with the tea bag, eventually that creates enough lift that the weight of the tea bag is overcome and it lifts the whole lot up. So we're going to show it again, and this I'm going to try using a normal tea bag just to show that it doesn't work as effectively. There we go. So like the normal tea bag, it's just going to burn down. I think a little bit of it flies up, and then our drawstring one, nothing. Oh, a little bit breaks off, and the drawstring one goes again and floats around my ceiling. Okay, now when you come to catch it, all you're going to have is a little bit of kind of ash left. That's the end of the video. Thank you.